Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Scavenging system. Scavenging system will eliminate the excessive gases from the operation theater. Anesthetic gases will result in ozone depletion. So to prevent that, we have scavenging system. Static current. So scavenging system are mainly present to eliminate the excessive gases from oxygen from the operation theater. Actually, anesthetic gases, if they are released into the atmosphere, they cause ozone depletion. But with the help of scavenging system, we will eliminate the gases away from the OT to prevent the air pollution also.
thank you and thank you for watching.